Hello everyone, myself Preethy Mathew and my group partner Josna of MacFirst College Tiruvalla are here to present our case study on the topic Unilever's push toward unified global system. At first, we will start with a summary of this case. Unilever is one of the most famous reputed firm. Cooperation with their company Procter and Gamble and Nestle. Unilever focused on 14 brands, deodorant and such conditioner brands. Unilever is organized as the two separate holding company. Unilever unify its core business processes including supply chain management. 119 countries in which Unilever operated function as an independent division. Approximately 30,000 transactions per minute, leading every order received 250 different ERP systems. Lever transitioned to run its worldwide business on only 4 instances of SAP. Unilever began adding SAP HANA software. One of the Unilever's first project was implementing SAP Cloud by SAP HANA. Unilever worked to more product availability during new product launch and promotional campaigns. SAP cash forecasting was added to SAP ERP Financial to minimize liquidity risk and maximize the use of working capital and cash. On the macro level, the SAP HANA initiative transformed Unilever's attitude towards IT. Consolidation of its ERP platforms and transactions and processing speed of the HANA platform are the key to improved performance, social impact, and environmental problem. After explaining about the summary of this case, now let's look forward to the problem which we identified from this case. Unilever need to unify its core business process including supply chain management. Unilever want to maximize product availability on store shelves during new product launches and promotional campaigns. Next, we will see the proposed solution of this problem. Use ERP system which helps to run a global business that was doubling its transaction. Unilever began adding SAP HANA. It is very well suited for performing real-time analytics if introduced SAP Copy, which helps for reduction of number of days of production. If add SAP cash forecast of they can minimize liquidity risk and maximize the use of working capital and cash. Next, we will move forward to the case study question with the solution. First one is, what the management problems typical of global system was Unilever experiencing? What management, organization, and technology factors were responsible for those problems? Unilever need to unify its core business processes including supply chain management and to maximize product availability on store shelves. They have to adopt ERP systems SAP HANA. If it is not adapting these technologies, they will not get the ability to input raw materials cost and quickly calculate product price. Not any improved and understanding of the supply chain or the manager decision making, and they cannot able to performing real-time analysis. And the second one is, how did Unilever's new system and the use of SAP HANA support its business strategy? How effective was the solution chosen by the company? Unilever began adding SAP HANA software to some of its key SAP ERP applications at the end of 2012. HANA is an in-memory data platform that is deployable as an on-premise appliance or in the cloud. HANA accelerated train promotion management tools, different inventory, maximize scenarios, and it is very well suited for performing real-time analytics and processing extremely large number of transactions very rapidly. And the third one is, how did Unilever's new system improve operations and management and decision making? Production cost analysis confirmed for Unilever that HANA's ability to accelerate business processes was well worth the investment, substantially improving real-time decision making. The second tangible benefit was the ability to input raw materials cost and quickly calculate product price. For understanding its margins, the percent profit after all costs have been deducted, enabled Unilever to analyze ways to improve them. These factors make improvement in operations and management decision making. The fourth one is, what influence does the global business environment have on firms like Unilever and how does that affect its choice of system? Consolidation of ERP platform and transactions and processing speed of HANA platform are the keys to improve performance, reporting to fulfill its ambitious growth, social impact, and environmental goals. The goals business environment has a firm like this other company can also follow this and they can achieve great success in this global business. By this, we are winding up our presentation on this topic and thank you.